just drove to a Dunkin', thought it was a Dunkin'. It's just a stand. But
here's the ice.
how do you even pay for this?
You go to the toilet.
Duh.
We got some Christmas cups.
So we just freaking said no to Dunkin'. It wasn't even Dunkin'. It was just a freaking little pop-up shop in a gas station. Ooh, what's that green thing? Okay.
Okay. Jesus.
Can you order for me? What is a watermelon oolong?
Oolongs are kind of cheap.
Oh. Oh, I'm looking at tea lattes. That's why. Cream freezes.
Thank you for your patience. What can I get for you?
We just need a couple more minutes to look.
Yeah, take your time.
Okay, thank you.
We need 20 minutes to look.
Oh, dude. Ooh, what to make?
Their smoothies are good.
Alright, I think I'm gonna get a cream freeze.
No.
Peach berry. Chocolate chip cookie.
I know
raspberry
what I'm
zinc.
getting, so. Do you want me to order?
Yeah, you can order. Where is it? What the fuck? It's my purse. Your purse? Yes. Oh no, is it lost under there?
I think it's lost in there.
Mom, find it. I think it's under the seat. Did you find it?
No.
Drive away. Drive away. I see it, I think. You see
Okay.
it?
I think it's.
Wait. Where's the top?
What happens if you don't turn it off?
I don't know.
Should I call the police?
No. It's still going. It's under my thigh. Find the top. I'm trying. I can't even believe this.
I don't know what's happening. Where's the fucking top?
What did we even say? Wait, is the top connected? Wait, the top, it might be connected to this. It's fucking connected to this.
The lady is like. Tell her sorry. I'm sorry, our alarm thingy went off. Okay, I know what I'm. Is she there? Yeah, sorry. Some alarm went off in the car. Okay, I'm ready. Can I please have a 20-ounce iced coffee with almond milk and Splenda?
With almond milk and mocha, you said?
Splenda.
Alright, anything else?
What was she?
Can I get the raspberry, zinger?
Absolutely. What size?
A small.
Alright, anything else for you?
Nope, that'll be it.
69 cents back to you.
Thank you.
69 cents back. That's pretty great.
Alright, we're gonna pull over and taste this. You hold my mic.
Oh.
Just pretend.
We haven't tasted these yet.
I'm just gonna pull into a parking spot for like a couple seconds. I have no idea if that was working.
It's not that bad. Hopefully no one
Okay,
can get from
I think I got a raspberry lemonade thing. I think it was like a raspberry zinger from Biggby.
Oh, cheers. No, it's from Dunkin'.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. That's so good. How's yours?
Great.
Dude,
Wanna try it?
swappy. That's good too.
That's really good.
Yeah.
I think we have low standards for drinks, though. What color
Unfortunately,
is it?
it's royal blue. Can you? Okay. Oh fuck. This is why I hate driving.
Okay, we're headed in the house.